Hey everyone, I'm Sourabh Bhatt. In this video, I'll talking about 3 C's to follow while learning data science. So do make sure you watch this video till the very end because in this video, I am going to talk about 3 C's to implement in your life while learning data science or any skill. But I will talk about specifically about data science. If you are interested in data science, want to learn data science or wanted to become a data scientist, then this video is only for you. The very first C to follow while learning data science is to be creative. Data science is full of logics and implementations. We have to build models, we have to interpret, manipulate, and extract meanings from a very dirty data set. And after that, we use it to build business models, predictive models, and to generate business insights. We have to make our mind as creative that it can cope up with all the difficulties, implementations, or all technical things related to data science. So in order to achieve this, we have to be creative all the time. It will not be only beneficial for businesses, but it will also become very beneficial for our own personal growth. Let us understand this with a very beautiful example of Henry Ford. Henry Ford took his inspiration for the car assembly line from a assembly line of meat processing, and thus Henry Ford came up with the idea of car assembly from that particular meat assembly, and he acted upon that idea by using a creative approach, by using a creative idea. His mind came up with a $1 billion idea which helped him to create a $1 billion company. There are certain ways of being creative: by reading books, by asking right questions, by developing new tools, new solutions, or by practicing a lot, and also by learning consistently. These all things helps anybody in the process of learning, in the process of implementations, to be creative for a long time. This will definitely help to be creative in data science, and this is the only way to get ahead into data science for a long run. The second C to follow while learning data science is to be connectable. This is our human nature, to be connective. We have to build an ability in our minds that it can connect dots to dots. There might be a very huge probability that we are facing some problems in our lives, in our learning process, and we are not able to solve those particular problem by our own selves, but some other person who are in that particular domain, in that particular process, they have some knowledge about that particular problem, and they are able to solve that particular problem. In this way, we are able to solve our problem by being connective to that person. In learning process, in learning data science, this is a very important aspect of learning, to make connections. If you are in college, then make connections with some seniors, with your friends who are learning data science, who are very feeling excited in data science. I have joined some groups and some communities where people are so much excited about data science. They are learning day and night. The group is worldwide. Anybody can join that group. I have shared the link of that particular group in the description. Do make sure you join those groups and learn in the connection, learn in the public. There are so many people, there are so many mentors and some students, some senior students on the YouTube University who says learning in the public. They are very right. I also done some few learning in the public, and this YouTube creation is also a learning in the public. I have also accepted a challenge of learning in the public. This is how I can reflect upon myself. This is how I am able to connect to the like-minded peers, like-minded peoples in data science. So connectivity is a very major aspect of learning anything. Connectivity, making connections, is a very crucial part of learning process. The third C to follow while learning data science is to be consistent in the process. is to be consistent in the process of learning, is to be consistent in the process of implementation. Things takes times, building logics takes times, but it will happen for sure. The only thing we have to make sure is we are learning things properly, we are learning things consistently. We have to make sure that we are not skipping a single day in our life without learning, without coding, without creating logics, without making errors in the program. Whatever you are learning, whether it could be programming, machine learning, statistics, or any other thing, or any other subject in the world, you have to make sure that you are learning it on a regular basis, on a daily basis. This is also what I am doing in my preparation also. I have created a very beautiful roadmap for myself to learn data science. This is how I have taken a pledge for myself that I will learn data science in 2022 in within a year by following the MIT challenge. I have already created a video on this topic. Make sure you watch that video. I will share the link in the description. It will definitely help you to be a consistent. It will definitely clear all your doubts for being consistent. I am keeping track of all my things, all my learnings, whether it could be my college, data science, or my this YouTube journey. I am making a very decent timetable for all of these things. I am a consistent. I am able to reflect on myself that I am consistent in learning. Whatever I am learning, I am consistent. This is how I can tell myself that I am consistent. And I know all these things takes some time, maybe 1 year, 2 year, but these things will help me to succeed one day for sure. There is no doubt. I am very confident because I am consistent. But sometimes I face problems, I face errors again and again and again. I am not able to solve those errors, not able to build logic, implementations. I just got stuck into coding or all those stuffs in assignments, in so much things. But honestly, it will not matter much in a long run if you are consistent, if I am consistent. So you are also facing some errors in your life and you are trying to solve those errors again and again, but still you are not able to solve those errors. But after some time, if you are consistent, then these things will not matter at all as from your current state. So be consistent, be creative, and be connective. These 3 C's will definitely help you to become a data scientist or any other person in life. I just felt to create a video on this, and because I am feeling learning from these things also. I hope you like this particular video. Do make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel for more amazing videos. Share this video with your all friends and do let me know which C you like the most in the comment section. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.